I'm wanting to do a test on the Micro Air 364 easy starts on my air conditioner. I got 2 air conditioners on this RV. I've had one micro start for about a year now, and it worked wonderful. What it does is it starts up. It's a soft start for the air conditioning units. The easy start actually mounts to the air conditioner. There's plenty of videos out there you can see. Anyway, the you can see right now it's 93 degrees in here. I just want to make sure I got a picture of that because I'm not going to cut not till we let it run for an hour. So take you out here to the generators so we can get them started. Generator box I made on the back of here. So there are 2 Honda 2000 EU 2000i generators. So that's just running off basically the 2 Honda. It's running off to the 2 Honda EU 2000s. Put this on auto. First air conditioner should be firing up. There's the first one. We'll give it a few seconds for the condenser to fire up too. You'll hear a little. I don't know if you can hear the generator through that. All right, that's running. So we'll switch some zones. Zone 2. Switch it to auto. It's running. And the fan kicked in, now waiting for the condenser to kick in. There it went. I heard the generators fire up a little. So basically that's it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna pause this for an hour, let this run, and then I'll come back. Alright, it's been about 50 minutes, so let's see what we got. $74 degrees. Does that show up? Mm-hmm. So I would say it works. I'm happy. Yep. Now I feel it's chilled in here, so I'm happy. Been running for an hour, no faults. I'm good. Have a good one.